What? Why is it so cold? Davin, get up. Actually, get up, bro. Come on, get up. Come on, bro. It snowed. It's a snowstorm. Should we go check the lake and see if it froze?
Yeah. Let's
If
go
it
get
froze,
some
that
clothes on
means
first.
if it froze, that's not good. But we might be able to go ice skating if it froze.
Or ice fishing. Ice fishing.
Oh yeah, I want to say. Let's change it to our winter clothes.
I'm gonna get my clothes on.
Should I wear my coat or should I wear my full coat? I'm gonna go wear my full coat.
Wear your coat. Wear your coat. Wear your coat.
Yeah, I'm gonna wear my full coat.
Yeah, there you go.
No, I'm gonna wear my.
Are you ready yet?
Let me wear my actual coat instead of this.
Look at Snowball.
Snowballs? Oh, yo, perfect. Okay, let's go. Check out
Come
the
on.
lake.
Let's use this what we built last night. I'm so glad we're like master builders.
Oh my god, it definitely froze.
Froze. Yo, is that a present?
Yo, no, don't do that. Let's go to the crack. Let's see how deep this. Oh, yo, the ice is definitely thick enough. The ice is definitely thick enough to ice skate on.
Oh my god! Thunder! Thunder! Whoa!
Oh my god, I'm getting hypothermia. We gotta find somewhere that's gonna stay warm.
Come on, follow me. I know a place. Hold your breath until now. This water is unsafe.
Okay.
Come on, this way. Down here. I know it may look bad from right here.
No, it's actually kind of toasty.
Can't even pick snowballs up.
It's actually somewhat toasty in
That's why I
here.
like this place.
Yo, let's see if we can get out.
We're soaked. Come on, I'm gonna go check. I'll be right back.
I'm coming with you.
No, you stay right here.
Nope, I'm going with
You
you.
have an allergic reaction. Stay right there.
Oh,
You can barely stand up.
I'm trying. I'm gonna try and get up.
Just go back.
I can't let
I don't
this
want
happen.
you getting hurt.
No.
Go back. I'll be safe, okay?
go.
Trust me. Trust me. I can pinky swear you that I'll be safe. You know, I'm the one who actually knows how to build here. So why don't you just let me do it? I'll find something to
a
build.
buoy.
us. A buoy?
That's gonna help me.
Okay. There's air in there. There's air in these.
These?
Go back in there and just use this for now until I find an air tank. Take that with you because the air up there is safe. This is clear, clean air.
Devin.
Go back to the house.
Oh, it feels so good. There's nothing in here.
Looks like the government already renovated all the houses. They took everything. Everything. All they did was leave the paintings. Let's not go down there.
The lake, it's the only safe place. But let's find something to.
Okay.
Maybe we can use something.
Ah, my arm. Ah. Hurt.
There's nothing
I'm gonna
I
go
can,
all the way up there where we're never allowed to go.
there's nothing we
where
can
we're
use
supposed to
that's
go.
gonna keep
I'm
us
gonna check.
warm.
It's pretty good.
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh, the oxygen up here sucks. Come on, let's go.
Okay, to the lake.
Whoa, I'm about to fall off. Help.
Where are you?
Oh.
Devin? 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 There you are. Come on, come on, come on. Lower. Oh god. The lower we can go underground, the better the air is gonna be.
Okay. I think I broke my arm or something.
We don't wanna go inside under the lake, but we wanna be in here. We don't wanna go under the lake though. But we have to see how thick this ice is to see how long it'll take to melt.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, it's pretty thick. Devin! Oh!
Into the, like, I guess our new house.
Ugh. Oh, Devin!
What is this thing? You know what this is? You're the one who mostly, like, explores this stuff.
Let me rest.
Get up. Get up. Okay, go to sleep. I'll be right back. I know what I have to do. I'll see first. Alright, come on, let's go back to safe zone. I stopped recording.